Bird dogging after 50, how to start, add value, and build your real estate future. What exactly is bird dogging in real estate? Bird dogging is the entry-level gateway into real estate investing, a way to step into the business without risking large sums of money. The term comes from hunting dogs that point or retrieve game for their hunters. In real estate, the bird dog finds and points out potential deals to an investor. You don't buy, finance, or manage the property yourself. You're a scout. Here's how it works. You find a property that shows signs of being a potential investment, distressed condition, vacant, foreclosure, motivated seller, etc. You collect basic details: address, owner name if possible, photos, neighborhood info. You pass the lead to a real estate investor. If the investor closes the deal, you get paid a referral fee, often $500 to $2,000 per deal, depending on complexity and agreement. Key point: you don't need money, credit, or a real estate license to bird dog. You just need a sharp eye, consistency, and the ability to communicate. Why bird dogging works for people 50 plus. Many over 50 beginners think they've missed the boat because they don't have decades to scale, or because they feel younger investors are dominating the space. The truth? You bring advantages younger bird dogs often lack. Life experience and professionalism. Sellers tend to open up more to someone mature and trustworthy. Investors appreciate reliability and follow-through over speed and flash. Community knowledge. After decades of living in your area, you know which neighborhoods are improving, which blocks struggle, and which schools drive value. Network reach. You already know homeowners, contractors, retirees, neighbors, and even family members who might be sitting on distressed or unwanted properties. Example: George, 62, started bird dogging in his small town. Because he'd lived there for 30 years, he immediately recognized a vacant duplex where the owners had moved into assisted living. He referred the lead to a local investor and earned $1,000. His reputation spread quickly, leading to 2 more referral checks in the same month. Step by step, how to start bird dogging after 50. Step 1. Learn to recognize investment properties. Look for these signs when driving through neighborhoods: overgrown lawns, peeling paint, boarded windows, stacked mail or notices on the door. For rent, signs that stay up for weeks: homes with deferred maintenance, roof issues, sagging gutters, broken windows. Tip: don't trespass. All you need are visual signs from the street. Step 2. Gather information. At minimum, collect property address, visible condition notes, vacant looking, roof needs work, owner info, county assessor's website or apps like PropStream, photos, if safe and respectful. Step 3. Find an investor partner. Join local real estate meetups, REIA groups. Search We Buy Houses Your City. Those ads are run by investors who need leads. Network online through Bigger Pockets or Facebook real estate groups. Example script. Hi, my name is Russell. I live here in Minneapolis and I'm looking to help local investors by finding potential deals. If I send you properties that meet your criteria, would you be open to working together? Step 4. Learn their buying criteria. Each investor is different. Ask, what neighborhoods do you buy in? What property types? Single-family, duplex, small multifamily. What's your budget range? Do you prefer off-market or listed deals? Step 5. Deliver leads professionally. This is where you set yourself apart. Instead of, hey, I saw a house on Elm Street, send address, 123 Elm Street. Condition, vacant, boarded windows, overgrown lawn. Zestimate, $210,000. Recent sale comp, $175,000 nearby. Owner listed as, name found via county records. Photo attached. This saves the investor hours of research. That's value. Step 6. Set expectations and agreements. Clarify payment up front. If I bring you a lead that closes, what do you typically pay? Get agreements in writing if possible. Some investors will draft a bird dog agreement for you. Remember, you're not selling real estate, you're providing referrals. Overcoming common objections. From the bird dogger at 50 plus, I don't know technology. Use beginner-friendly apps like Deal Machine, or just start with Google Sheets. You don't need to be a tech expert to track addresses. What if I waste time? Every bad lead teaches you what investors don't want. It's education, not wasted effort. I'm too old. Wrong. Your maturity makes you trustworthy. A tired seller may prefer talking to someone who reminds them of a peer, not a hustler. From the investor, can I trust you? Build trust with organized, accurate reports, not random addresses. Show professionalism from day one. Why should I pay you? Because you save them the two scarcest resources in real estate, time and deal flow. They pay you because your eyes and ears on the ground mean more deals on their desk. Advantages of bird dogging success. For you, earn income without risk. Learn what makes a deal valuable. Build investor relationships that can turn into partnerships or mentorship. Gain the confidence and knowledge to move into wholesaling or buying properties yourself. For investors, get consistent leads. Save time and money. Build a trusted scout relationship. A good bird dog is gold. Together, you form a win-win pipeline. You grow into an investor while they grow their portfolio. Recommended tools for bird doggers: Deal Machine, the Driving for Dollars app that logs addresses and owner data; PropStream, the advanced property data, comps, and skip tracing; Batch Driven, the affordable bird dogging CRM and driving app; Google Sheets/Trello, the free and simple for lead tracking; Canva, used to create clean one-page deal reports to impress investors; education resources, Bigger Pockets Forum, and podcasts, free education plus networking; YouTube, Real 50 Plus for 50 plus investing inspiration; Jerry Norton, Max Maxwell; books, the book on real estate investing with No and Low, Money Down by Brandon Turner; Wholesaling Real Estate by Than Merrill; local REIA meetings, your best source of face-to-face connections. Final word of encouragement. If you're over 50, bird dogging is not just a side hustle, it's a stepping stone into a bigger real estate future. By spotting opportunities, providing organized leads, and showing reliability, you'll earn referral fees and the trust of seasoned investors. Every lead you find is not just a potential deal, it's an education, a relationship, and a brick in the foundation of your own real estate journey. At Real 50 Plus, we believe it's never too late to start. Bird dogging is how you get in the game.